what this film means to you, what exactly will you say?
This film is really, really special to me. Of course, it's my debut feature film, but not just that. Like, that's as an actor, I can keep saying, okay, it's very special because it's my first. But as an individual, this film came at a time when I was personally really struggling. I was recovering from a massive health injury. And at that time, to get something like this in my lap, which I didn't even know, but it became my second when it became my second chance. So there was just such a spiritual and inspirational journey attached to it. That's what makes it really special for me. So basically, when I signed the film, matlab, like when we came on board together, that time everything was great for me. I was having like a lot of work opportunities come my way. I'd just done my first actually episodic shoot, so it was like a high for me. Okay, and that's when I came on board. Then about a month later, I got slip disc. I had an injury and then I got slip disc in my L4 and L5. So then I went on bed rest for almost 3 months. It was one of the worst pains of my life, and suddenly work went away because I couldn't shoot. I had projects lined up. I couldn't shoot anything. I went from like living a high to suddenly the lowest of lows. And उस वक्त I was honestly like not at all confident कि how will I ever be on screen also again, because what the bed rest did to me, I was put on steroids, a lot of medication, I gained a lot of weight. So I gained like almost 10 kgs at that point, and I didn't think I would be back on the camera again. I didn't think I had the strength to. I didn't think I looked the part. I didn't think I was mentally also there. So when we had to go on board and start like rehearsing for this, which was around November, I remember like I actually even once I think I texted her also. I said, if you want to take someone else, because I'm not even able to come and physically meet you for the rehearsals. I can only do online. So she said, no, no, it'll be all fine. I remember this one voice note she had sent to me that, Bacha, it'll all be okay, don't worry. And I was like, yeah, like I can't, because I was so absent. And eventually, वो सब हुआ. I kept my bargain also there because I also knew that she had put a lot of faith in me by casting me, and I didn't want to flake because I'll be honest with you, उस वक्त मेरा mind frame ऐसा था कि मैं खुद भी ना बोल देती. I would have been like नहीं मुझे नहीं करना, because my confidence was just that low. But then because I have been working with her, I didn't want to do that to her, so I was like नहीं नहीं, I'll continue to do it. एंड हमने बेरली इन पर्सन रिहर्सल्स किए हैं. वो एक बार आई थी मेरे घर मुझे मिलने, एंड दैट्स व्हेन वी डिड आवर फर्स्ट आई थिंक रीडिंग. उसके पहले एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट डन ऑन द कॉल, एंड दैट इज द फेथ शी काइंड ऑफ पुट इन मी दैट नहीं ठीक है हो जाएगा. एंड इवेंचुअली व्हेन आई केम हियर फॉर द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट, and actually I came a day before. That was not my shoot was then, and I came just because I wanted to get into that zone. And I came and I was like, bus, everything changed. I met Mayura that day, and she was shooting, and there was Hiral also. And, I was just like, okay, this is the day. This is the day it changes for me. Ab I'm going to come and I'm going to bring my positivity and my, kind of spirit back here. Because जो है अब यही है मेरे पास हाथ में. नहीं है मेरे पास और 10 चीजें. But I have this. I am fine. I'm fit. And, I think God always has a plan for you, because I was on set with 3 women who had their own stories. And when you go there, you realize that your journey, ठीक है, आपकी भी एक sad story या जो भी होगी, but learn to understand कि सबकी है. And जब बाकी लोग इतना कुछ होने के बाद can come back, I'm just 24 right now. I have my entire life in front of me. So even I can. So I really feel there was a reason I was meant to be on this project, because post that, when it got over, I at one point didn't think I could walk again. I ran my first marathon after the film got over because I was so inspired by all the women on set. So I ran my first marathon. I got back into my fitness journey. I lost a lot of weight, and then so many, good things happened and it came my way. So that was my journey of, my second chance. That so she got into character, I think, because we have been uh, performing together. So uske pehle also she has been my mother and I've been her daughter. So I have always gotten that vibe from her. And I think, there are moments in life where you see that the correct people you get associated with, they stand up for you. And I really feel like what you do, it comes around. So for me, I have seen her do that for me. I know it's going to come around. Like there'll be a day where that will also come around for her, because when you make things, she used to only keep telling me one thing. She's like, I just want to make this film with good vibes. And I think that's what has traveled. So, when I started and there were scenes I read, उस वक्त they all just like I remember reading it and I'm like, why is she like this? Why is she talking like this? Like, because I am 24 now. But I was, playing that character at that time and I'm like, ये ऐसे क्यों बात कर रही है? Until I actually performed it. And then I also, when I, for the first time I saw it on screen and I realized I have been this character. I have been this person with my own mother, where because of what I'm going through, I have taken it all out on her. Having that lack of understanding, not realizing that your mother is also a human being who has her own issues. And just because, they have been selfless their entire life, हमें लगता है कि उनकी तो कोई problems ही नहीं है. हमारी problems उनकी problems है, लेकिन उनकी problems हमारी problem नहीं है. And वो मतलब every scene, there are like so many scenes that any daughter and mother can relate to so easily, because ये है, this is one relationship, which sometimes ends up becoming only a one-ended relation. क्योंकि हम भूल जाते हैं, हम कहीं ना कहीं उनके, we just take them for granted. So I think that learning came from that, while seeing the scenes, while actually performing them. And when I got to see it, and I was actually, the first time we saw the film together at Waves, I was with my mom. And I saw it, and then she was like, "This is you and me," and I said, "Exactly, I get that too. हमने ये किए हैं, हमने यही conversations किए हैं." तो वो एक learning थी, to kind of reflect on relations. I think, see, anyway, things changed because maturity hit me. तो वो होता है, like there comes an age after which you do realize that um, that you have truly lucked out if you have selfless and unconditional parents in life. That is your biggest blessing. And I think I anyways got that, because इतने साल में so many things have happened, and there have only been three people in my life who's like stuck by me. So I anyways had figured that out. But to see that, and वो screen पे देखना is completely different. When scenes are performed well, they hit a nerve in you. And I feel like that's what it did to all of us. I think, I was a little, I'll be honest with you, I was a little nervous when she initially told me that she's acting in it, she's producing it also, she's directing it also, she's been the writer also. And there was a part in me that also felt, how will she manage it all? ठीक है, because it's her first time also, it's very overwhelming to be handling it all. But I, in fact, I remember उन्होंने मुझे एक बार बताया था that she's thinking of getting someone else, but that person's not understanding her point of view. And तभी when I felt that, then don't यार, because आपकी story है, आपने लिखी है, you have to be the one saying it. And मुझे पहले लग रहा था, I'm like, how will she handle it? Like, as much as I'm rooting for her, I was like, पता नहीं how will she do it. But then the first day on set, I realized what she put up, the cast, the crew, everybody managing it all. I mean, the locations we were shooting at. I was like, she's done it. She's managed to do it. There is a reason why she is here. Okay, she might not have experience in direction before this, but she has life का experience, and that's what she, that is what she's getting here. तो हम बहुत बार हम we kind of look at people and like, इसको नहीं पता होगा, और हम उनके talent या उनके confidence को बहुत undervalue करते हैं. I was really happy to see that she didn't do that to herself, because I'm 110% sure there were enough people around her telling her कि आप कैसे करोगे, right? But वो नहीं सुना. You need to have that faith in yourself. And I think just to see her manage all of that, to take our film where she has taken it, who gets to take their film to Cannes and all the film festivals, like her vision is just so clear with what she wants. And how many debut directors can say that, yeah? So I feel like there's just so much learning to take, right? Ki you're never too late to start. You're never too late to do it. She's done it. I think her experience also, it brings that entire, confidence in that. So there's just too much. And I think that also what I noticed is because I have worked a lot with different directors, and not everyone lets you have that creative freedom also as an actor. कि आप करो, आप, this is your character, you take it. If you want to change lines, if you want to change something, do it. Not everyone does. She gave us that liberty. She was like, this is your character, if you want to change this line like this, हाँ करो, fully go ahead. And that's where that rawness also came in, ना, because जब आप अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा समझने लग जाते हो, it's great, but maybe you don't realize कि बाकियों का confidence ना फिर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. She was motivating all of us कि नहीं, this is your film, this is your character as well, go ahead, try what it is. नहीं पसंद आया, then I will let you know. But which is where probably even I could add so many layers to my character, because she wrote it, but then to bring it to life I had to also add some of my creativity to it. So that she's been really good at handling.
She was a leader who was trying to.
Absolutely. You can either lead from the front and just be alone walking that path, or you can take your team along with you. She has done that, which is, I think, the byproduct is you have something that everyone ने दिल से अपनाया भी है, and even the cast, like it's our film for us. I think that's the $1 million question.
You're also figuring it out.
I feel like even if you're Shah Rukh Khan, you have to figure it out.
Completely.
It never, that is one learning I've had. Ki, bhai, it's a cycle. You cannot, like, you just have to keep pedaling. You can't stop. Because it's going to, you're going to have these ups and downs. But something that I realized in this entire process is, like I told you, I had a high and then I had a low. मुझे लगा इस low के बाद आगे कुछ है नहीं. Something so beautiful came. That has given me the confidence to know that just whatever you're getting your way, do it with all, मतलब अपनी पूरी शिद्दत से करो, give it your all, and then God's plan, leave something up there also. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but you have no idea where that next turn is, right? Because I swear to you, when I did this film, I had no idea Cannes was even a possibility. Forget this film. I didn't think that it would ever in my life be an opportunity for me. But I was there. I walked that carpet. I am back here, and I can't. I mean, that's just something I have also taught myself in this entire process is ki have some faith in yourself, your talent, your just that confidence थोड़ा लाओ, because अगर एक इंसान देख सकता है तो बाकी भी देख लेंगे, ढूंढ लेंगे आपको. And वो in that process just enjoy, don't forget yourself, don't lose yourself. तो वही है, what's next for me is probably, I think, for the first time I'm not worrying about it. I'm taking, if it takes time, I'm willing to take my time, because good things take time. Yeah, I think पहले तो क्या important है that you need to be at your best to be able to give your best. So right now I think I am in a very good state of mind, so I feel that positivity will attract good work on its own. Just relatability. I think in each scene you do not have to be a woman, you do not have to be an athlete to understand. You just need to be a human being to figure out कि these things happen, emotions सबके आते हैं. Like I said, मतलब मेरे लिए भी कहाँ से क्या hit हुआ, I had no idea. So sometimes in life we really need to watch content also that we can relate to, कि हम बोल सके कि हाँ, this is what I was feeling, और ये है, that is exactly what I have been trying to understand. So the one promise I can make is that it's going to help you out in some way or the other. आप जब देखोगे, शायद आप एक कैरेक्टर से कनेक्ट ना करो, दूसरे से कनेक्ट ना करो, बट आप इमोशन से कनेक्ट करोगे, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू सिट विद यू फॉर अ वाइल. लाइक इट मेड मी रन माई फर्स्ट मैराथन, तो आप सोचो. और मैं जिंदगी में कभी, आई नेवर इन माई लाइफ थॉट आई वुड बी डूइंग दिस. आई नेवर इन माई लाइफ थॉट आई वुड एवर लाइक बी दैट फिटनेस वाला person, but here I am, because it is the need of the hour. We need to all be valuing our health so much, because we are living at a time जहाँ पे things are not the best when it comes to health. that we are seeing that like dheere dheere fall. Really bad illnesses are also coming everyone's way. But then in all of that, you have a film that's also teaching you that that's not the end. You could be dealing with the worst of the worst situation, but there is always hope beyond that. So that's the promise I can make to my audience, that if you come, you will go back with a certain amount of hope to do better in your life after that. Thank you.